Surface. A solid has surface which may be curved or flat. For example, ball. A ball has curved surface. When you touch its surface, it is curved. And surface of wall is flat. When you touch its surface, it is flat. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Two lines, when have only one meeting point, are called as intersecting lines. When two lines meet at only one point, those are called as intersecting lines. If we try extending this line as well as extending the second line, ठीक है, तो it will meet at only one point, that is P. You can name it as any alphabet of English letter. Parallel lines. Two lines are said to be parallel if they don't intersect at any point, even if produced, means even if we produce them further, that they will not meet at any point. If we'll extend them from both the sides, they will not meet at any point. The distance between these points, the distance, ठीक है, इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होगा, that will be equal. If it is 2 centimeters from here to here, it will be 2 from here to here. It will be 2 again from here to here. Similarly, if the distance between these two lines, green and blue, is 1 centimeter, it will be 1 centimeter all over the space between two lines. For example, let us see examples. So in the wall there are parallel lines. If we name it as A, B, C, D, then we can say that this side AD, okay, this side AD is parallel to the side BC. The distance between AB and DC is same or equal. So we can write that AD, this is the sign used for parallel, is parallel to BC. Okay. Similarly, AB is parallel to DC. The distance between this is also same. So we can write that AB is also parallel to CD. We can see the windows in our room. So this is parallel. There are many lines parallel to each other in the window. Similarly, in the as we can see in the railway track, so this is parallel to this, and the distance between the two lengths is the same. This is also one example of parallel line.